Hi guys. Okay, I'm going to be going through the claim evidence reasoning my dad's a space alien with you. I've tried a million times to write this out and record it on my iPad and upload it to YouTube, and it's just been tech problems on tech problems on tech problems. So I'm going to try it like this and see how it goes. So we're going to start. You should have just watched that short video clip, the commercial on Neo. If you haven't, go ahead and go back to the welcome page now and watch it so you know what we're basing this on. Okay, so we're going to start with our question. So the question that we're going to be asking is my dad a space alien? So that's our question, and now our claim. So remember, our claim is what do we know or what do we think we know? So we're making a statement that we believe to be true. So we're going to say, my dad is a space alien. And what is our source? How do we know that? Where did we gather our evidence from? These are just from our observations, right? Okay, so now we are going to collect our 4 pieces of evidence. This graphic organizer should look familiar. We've done this several times in class. So our first piece of evidence is that he speaks a different language, right? So that's the first thing that the little girl notices, her first piece of evidence, that he speaks a different language. So the reasoning, how does that evidence support the claim that he is a space alien? We'll say he speaks, ooh, it's weird typing sideways, a language not spoken. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so weird to type sideways. Spoken here on planet Earth. This language might be spoken on the planet he is from. Okay. So our first piece of evidence is that he speaks a different language, and our reasoning as to why that means he's a space alien is that he speaks a language not spoken here on planet Earth. This language might be spoken on the planet he is from. Okay, so our second piece of evidence was the second thing that she notices is that he drinks the green stuff. So how does him drinking the green stuff support the idea that he's an alien? So he consumes green liquids that are not a normal he consumes green liquids, we'll say that is not a normal thing people eat or drink on Earth. Okay, so our next piece of evidence, he drinks the green stuff, and how does that support the fact that he's an alien? Is that he consumes green liquids that are not a normal thing people eat or drink on Earth. Evidence number 3, and there's I think 5 pieces of evidence, so you can choose a different piece, but he says he's from, oh gosh, you guys, Albuquerque. Albuquerque. Oh my gosh, how do you spell that? Hopefully that fixes it. Albuquerque. I have no idea if that's right. Okay, he says he's from Albuquerque. She says she's not buying it. So why does that support he's an alien? So in case you didn't know, Albuquerque is in New Mexico. New Mexico is famous for UFO and alien sightings. So maybe he came to Earth and landed in New Mexico. So he claims he's from Albuquerque. And what do we know about Albuquerque is that Albuquerque is in New Mexico, and New Mexico is famous for UFO and alien sightings. Maybe he came to Earth and landed there in New Mexico. And her last piece of evidence is that he has a spaceship. So last thing, so our reasoning, how does that evidence support the claim that he is a space alien? Well, we can say aliens use spaceships as their mode of transportation. Sorry if you guys can hear that. Those are just notifications. Okay, so aliens use spaceships as their mode of transportation. Okay, so we have our 4 pieces of evidence and our reasoning. So this should all be familiar so far. The next part is kind of where the practice is coming in. Next week, you guys are going to be writing or starting to write an essay based on a CER. So you're going to have to know how to do this right here, which you should already know how to do, but then you're going to take this graphic organizer and turn it into an essay. So the practice that we're doing today is now taking that information that we just organized and putting it into a paragraph. So if you keep going, the next page is sentence frames. So it says, now use your graphic organizer to write a paragraph to support the claim. The following sentence frames are to support the structure of your writing, but you can modify them to fit your thinking. So these sentence frames are just to kind of get you started. If you want to modify them a little bit, you can, but you're going to be writing a paragraph on the next page. So I'm going to start it with you, and then I'm going to have you guys do a couple of sentences on your own. So we're going to start right here where it says claim. What are you asserting as fact? So we're going to say, oops, sorry. Our claim is my dad is a space alien. So that's our first claim. Evidence number 1, based off of my observations, he speaks a different language. So not only are we taking our source, right, that's our observations, and then we're stating our first piece of evidence is that he speaks a different language. So reasoning. How does evidence number 1 support our claim? This suggests that, then let's go back up here, that he speaks a language not spoken here on Earth. He could be speaking a language known on his home planet. Okay. Evidence number 2. Based on blank, based on my observations, every morning he drinks green stuff, right? So we'll come back up here and now we'll write our evidence. We could say the green liquid he consumes is not a normal breakfast item humans eat. And you can see I'm already kind of changing the wording of my reasoning. That's that's fine. I mean, I'll continue to kind of edit it as we go. So that was my second piece of evidence and reasoning. So right now, I want you to do evidence 3, reasoning 3, evidence 4, reasoning 4 by yourself. So go ahead and pause this now and do evidence 3 and 4, and then we'll come back and write the conclusion together. Okay, so that ... is where you should have written evidence and reasoning 3, evidence and reasoning 4. We're going to write the conclusion together. So we're going to restate the claim. In conclusion, my dad is a space alien. I know this because he speaks a different language. He drinks green liquids, and he drives a spaceship. Okay, so go ahead and go back and reread your whole paragraph. If you need to adjust some of the grammar, please do that. But after you've written this whole paragraph, it should be a strong argument that supports this claim here. My dad is a space alien, based on our evidence supported by our reasoning. All right, you guys, I hope that helped. Thanks for joining.